So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you how to rotate text here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom here, select the text icon, and then just create a text box. And I'm going to go ahead and type in the word rotate. Now, if you wanted to rotate the text a couple different ways, you can do it. First and foremost, you can press the text right here, open up this top bar. You can type in a rotation number right here. So if you want to do it 45 degrees, you can do that. If you wanted to change it to like 60 degrees, you can do it that way. That's the simplest way. So if I were to go back to 0 right here, it's now going to be normal. You can also go ahead and rotate it just like this if you want to rotate it 90 degrees every single time. That is also the simplest way to do it. Now, another way you can do it as well is to press on the text, hover over top right here, and you want to get this sort of icon where there's the two arrows on a curve. Then you can kind of customize the rotation this way in regards to how you want to rotate it, just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can rotate text here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.